Here's some sample footage I took with my iSteady Pro 2 and my Hero 7 Black. In this video, I want to share with you my vlogging setup with my GoPro Hero 7 Black right here. When I'm out in public, say in a park, a lake someplace, for stabilization, I use the iSteady Pro 2. This is an excellent gimbal for many reasons. The main reasons, obviously, is for stabilization, and also the battery in the iSteady Pro 2 extends the life of my vlogging experience. As many of you know, the battery life and the GoPros, they're okay, but they could be better. But within the iSteady Pro 2 are batteries. Now you can't remove these batteries, but you can charge them up, and they last a long time. So when I mount my GoPro Hero 7 Black to this unit, a cable connects it from inside there to the GoPro. And let me show you that cable. Here's our cable. It comes with the unit when you purchase it. So let me set up my rig here, and let me show you how I have mine set up, so that way I'm not holding, say, if I'm live streaming, I'm not holding an iPhone or another phone in one hand and trying to read comments. Everything is all mounted on the iSteady Pro 2. So the first thing I want to do is connect the cable. Okay, it's connected. And when you purchase the iSteady Pro, it comes with a very nice carrying case. It's nice and solid. You have lots of cables that comes with it. You get a carrying bag, and I use it right now just for storage of a lot of other cables. And you get a nice instruction manual. But I really love this gimbal. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is mount my GoPro Hero 7 Black to the gimbal. It's really quite easy to do. Let me tighten these two. And it's tighten them by hand. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to attach the cable that I previously plugged into the unit to the GoPro, which extends the battery life. And that plugs into there's a port right there at the bottom. Just like that. Okay. Now, what also comes with the iSteady Pro 2 is a little tripod. And so I'm going to screw that on the bottom. And that way I can stand the unit up. Let's see if you can see that. There we go. Okay. Next, what I have is this attachment, and I had to order this from Amazon. But what it does, it allows me to mount accessories to the iSteady Pro gimbal. And on the side of the iSteady Pro, as you can see, there's a screw mount here, and there's also a USB cable here for charging the unit. And so I'm gonna cover that up for time being. I don't need it right now. So what I do, I'm going to screw this unit right here into the iSteady Pro. And this could be anything that you mount. You can use that that screw mount on the side to mount anything you like. I use it for this right here, so I can secure an old iPhone 6 that I use here, and that way I can actually monitor what I see on the GoPro. And if I'm live streaming, I can also go to YouTube from this device and read comments. And so everything will be in one hand. I don't have to hold a phone in one hand while filming footage with another hand. I apologize for this being a little bit off screen, so I'm going to mount my iPhone 6 to this. And it's held in very secure. And it's not going anywhere, I guarantee you. Okay? So there it is. So that's my setup. So I just simply turn on my unit. Let me angle my camera up here so you can see that. Let me set this down. Okay, so turning on the iSteady Pro 2. Unit kicks into action. And let me turn on my iPhone 6. And I have the GoPro app launched on this, so I'm going to launch that. Found the camera. And I'm going to click control the GoPro, and you should see what's ever out there, whatever I point my unit at. If you have a Hero 8, this gimbal will also work. Okay, so there we go. If you look at the screen here, I see the same thing on my iPhone 6. So I'm going to angle this around. So the main purpose of this jig is that I could be taking footage and have everything in one hand, because what happens is that the screensaver on the back of the Hero 7, after a while it will time out. That's fine, that's good for battery conservation, but I can still see what the camera's picking up on my iPhone 6. So I can go to YouTube, for example, and say I can be in a city showing you the scenery and the sounds and the people, and I can live stream and at the same time view your comments, or if not that, I can simply just look at the footage in front of me. So this is my setup here using the iSteady Pro 2. I'll leave a link in the video, and for all these this unit right here that attaches to the iSteady Pro, the iSteady Pro itself, the Hero 7 Black, or if you prefer the Hero 8, I prefer the Hero 7 Black because of that attachment that comes with it. I don't believe, if I'm mistaken, I had to check up on this, I don't believe that the Hero 8 has that attachment that allows you to connect your camera to the gimbal. It doesn't have that port, but the Hero 7 Black does. So this would give me, I'll say if the GoPro gives me about, say, 2 hours of battery life, having it attached to the iSteady Pro 2 gives me perhaps 6 hours. 2 hours plus 6 hours, 8 hours. And then I simply charge this up. So what I'm saying here is that the Hero 7, rather the iSteady Pro, it's a built-in battery pack. So it's great. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the footage. I need to get myself another tripod. The one I had broke, so I have my camera in front of me, rigged up on a little device here. Going forward, I can do more product reviews because I enjoy doing it. Okay, you guys take care. Have a great day.